The Supreme Court has refused to intervene in the issue of the BCCI postponing its annual general meeting. A plea was filed by the Bihar Cricket Association in front of the Honorable Supreme Court, but the Apex Court has asked them to wait until the final report of the Mudgal probe panel is submitted. Meenakshi Bhanja joins us with more. So, Meenakshi, very clearly, respite, relief for N. Srinivasan here.
Well, absolutely, Anand. This will be viewed as a breather of sorts for Srini, given the fact that their lawyers, remember, he had top counsel's Kapil Sibal, former law minister, represent him before the Supreme Court today, along with C.S. Sundaram, who was pleading for BCCI. And on the other hand, we had Nalini Chidambaram making a pitch as to why Supreme Court intervention was urgently sought in this particular matter. That has not come by. Supreme Court bench orally observed, Anand, while hearing the plea, that they'd much rather wait for the probe committee to come out with its final results, which is due on the 10th of November. It has gone ahead and given time for BCCI to file an official reply to this particular plea before the Supreme Court. But at the same time, it has also orally very clearly mentioned that if, for instance, in that probe committee final results, which are awaited on the 10th of November before the Supreme Court to be submitted, there are any findings which go on to exonerate Srinivasan, it would clearly mean that at that point in time, Srinivasan would be eligible to contest the elections. The bench has also gone on to orally observe, Anand, that it was Srinivasan who had voluntarily stepped aside from officiating in any capacity during the duration that the probe was being conducted. So all these have weighed in favor of Srinivasan for now. Supreme Court wishing to keep its hands clear of this matter, and at the same time asking BCCI to file a final response on the 10th of November when it is scheduled to take up the matter later.
Thanks for that, Meenakshi.